Hello, Amazon sellers ready to run ads on Amazon but don't know where to start. In this video, I will show you how to set up your first Amazon PPC campaign in under 3 minutes. This is a step-by-step guide whether you are launching a new product or want more visibility. This is the fastest way to get results. Let's say you are selling a cat shelf and now you want more sales. You have to start advertising or you have to start Amazon PPC. Both are the same thing with the different names and nomenclatures, but you can say you have to start Amazon PPC so that Amazon can show your product on the search pages. As like these sellers, they are advertising their products for this keyword and their products are showing here on the top of the search pages. Let's dive in and I will give you a complete guide. And by the way, this is a basic video, but in this complete playlist, I will teach you from basic to advanced level. So this playlist is for you if you are selling on Amazon. To set it up, go to Amazon Seller Central, then click on menu, then click on advertising and campaign manager. Here you have to click on create campaign. Once you click here, you will see this kind of the dashboard in which you can see there are 4 different types of campaigns: sponsor products, sponsor brands, sponsor display. If you are starting, I can say you have to go with sponsored products. We will explain all in next videos. Let's go with sponsored products. It's the most user friendly and most result oriented campaigns available for all the sellers. Continue, and then you have to choose ad group. It's like you can choose, you can add tens of products in a single ad group, or you can even set different ad groups in a campaign. Like there is one campaign, you can have tens of ad groups in that campaign according to your strategy. Either we can adjust the strategy according to the targeting, according to the keyword, or according to the products. Let's say I'm going with auto campaign, so I'm just writing here auto, or I can write entire catalog, so I'm writing EC for entire catalog. So I will be choosing all the products. And then we have to choose Amazon business or Amazon and beyond. Please go with Amazon and beyond. It means we will be showing our product, we will be advertising our products on different channels of Amazon business and Amazon retail. Then we have to select the products. Actually, this is very important. Now, whatever products you want to advertise, you have to select here. If you want to advertise one product in this campaign, you will choose that single product. So we will be choosing one product. I'm choosing this random product, and then we have to scroll down, and then we have to set targeting. Is it automatic targeting or manual? In automatic, Amazon will show our product wherever Amazon want or wherever Amazon see, we can convert, we can get sales. And in manual targeting, we will add our product, we will add our preferences. So we will ask Amazon, please show our product on these targets. It could be the keywords or products. Like this is a product detail page and these products are showing here. Why? Because they are advertising their products, these products on a target cat shelf. So they select keyword targeting, or you can say manual targeting. It could be automatic targeting. Amazon can show from automatic as well, but they are targeting on cat shelf. That's why there, whenever someone is searching cat shelf, their product is showing in the search page. Now, let's say we are choosing automatic targeting. We have to choose bid, whatever it is. We can even left this default, or we have to change it according to our product. If the competition is high, we can even choose $1, or according to the suggested bid, I can say you have to go with a middle of the suggested bid, like 32 to 58. You can go with 45 cents bid. And then we will choose negative targeting. I will explain how to choose negative. By the way, in start or in the automatic campaigns, we don't even need to choose negative targetings in the start. Then we have to choose bidding strategy. Either it could be up and down, dynamic bidding, or fixed bids. In the start, I suggest please go with dynamic bids, but down only, because in up and down, Amazon can increase your bids by 100%. So if you are giving $1 per bid, there might be the spend $2 for each lead. So go with down only. If you want to go very aggressive, then you can go with up and down. Next, we have to choose bid adjustment. By the way, all the things are adjustable after setting it first time as well. And then we have to choose campaign name. So if you are going with auto or manual, whatever you are advertising, you have to write in the campaign name. No need to set any end date. And now you are choosing daily budget. Whatever you want, you can choose. Nothing is wrong. And you can set it according to your targets and according to the volume of the sales you want. That's it. You are done with it. Now we just need to click on launch campaign. That's it. You are done with setting up your campaign. Congratulations, your campaign is launched successfully. And that's how you launch your first Amazon PPC campaign fast, simple, and effectively. Just reach out and I will take care of your complete Amazon PPC strategy so you can focus on growth and stock while I will handle the rest. Either it could be PPC or optimization of your catalog or SEO optimization. In the next video, I will show you how to do effective keyword research and product targeting to get maximize your ad performance. Don't miss that. So please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified for the next video. Thank you.